Okay, good morning, friends. Today topic is wheel maintenance. Okay, objectives: maintenance of grinding wheel. Wheel maintenance means grinding wheel maintenance. Maintenance of grinding wheel, balancing of grinding wheel, dressing and truing of grinding wheels, coolants used. Okay. Maintenance of grinding wheel to improve the cutting capacity, to improve the efficiency of grinding wheel, to turn the grinding wheel in concentric speed with spindle, balance of wheel to prevent vibration at high rotary speeds, to prevent waviness in the work surface, to prevent wheel from breaking, preventing damage to the machine and injury to operate, balancing of wheel. A wheel is said to be balanced if its weight is uniform throughout. If some portion of wheel is heavier than the remaining portion, the wheel is said to be unbalanced. Method of balancing: adding the weight in the form of lead to the light side, adjustment of segment attached to the inner sleeve flange. Large wheels are balanced by pressing with rubber washers and flanges. Step of the balancing: mount the wheel with its own spindle on knife edge base. Give a slight push along it to roll. Allow it to roll back and forth until it comes to rest. Then a heavy portion of wheel is at the bottom. If it rolls to a gentle stop with no tendency to roll back, then the wheel is said to be balanced. Okay, set up for balancing diagram. So like this. And the dressing of the grinding wheel: with the passage of time, the grinding wheel's cutting capacity become lower. The reduces efficiency of grinding wheel. Dressing is the process to restore the cutting capacity and cutting properties. Dressing: metal or forged matter that is loaded in the pores of the wheels is moved. Dull gains which did not back off during operation are removed. Dressing method. Dressing tool is mounted in metal holder held on the grinding machine. This tool is transferred across face of a straight wheel to dress it. When the tool is pressed against the revolving grinding wheel, it digs away the bond and releases the dull grains, thus projecting the new cutting grains for good cutting capacity. Grinding wheel dressing like this properly. Turning of grinding wheels: in the process of changing the shapes of the worn out grinding wheel is done to make the wheel true and concentric with the bore, also used to change the phase ontour counter of form grinding. Same tool is used as in dressing. Type of dressing tools, different types of dressing tools: single point diamond tool, cluster type tool, start dressing tool, corrugated disc dresser and disc dresser. Coolants functions: to keep the heat away from the work tool, to prevent distortion of workpiece, to wash the remove metal particles and loose abrasive grains from the work zone, to keep clear and free cutting surface, to remove dirt and keep the surface clean, to prevent rusting of finished surface and machines. Type of coolants: soluble coolants considering of emulsified mineral oil, soaps, flowing material. Heavy duty soluble oil to which sulfur and chlorine are added to improve grinding action. Summaries. So quiz: frequently asked questions. What is the need of maintenance of grinding wheel? What is the purpose of balancing a grinding wheel? What is the method of wheel balancing? Very important. Thank you one and all.